Hello students, chapter number 7, cash book and its types. Chapter number 7, cash book and its type. Cash book and its types. Lecture 7, sum number 9. See the page number 185, sorry, 187. Sum number 9. From the following transactions, prepare bank book in the books of Kalpana. तो बैंक बुक ऑफ कल्पना, बैंक बुक ऑफ कल्पना. डेट, पर्टिकुलर, रिसिप्ट नंबर, LF, डेट, पर्टिकुलर, वाउचर नंबर, LF, and cash book of SBI and BOB, then State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda. SBI and BOB. Now see the opening balance. ओपनिंग बैंक बैलेंस स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, तो स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में हमारी ओपनिंग बैंक बैलेंस है 2015 सितंबर 1, 2015 सितंबर 1. ओपनिंग बैंक बैलेंस टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन SBI 5000, SBI 5000 and opening bank overdraft Bank of Baroda 4000. So 2015 September 1st by balance brought down Bank of Baroda 4000. Bank of Baroda 4000. Next September 2, goods of rupees 8000 purchased for which check of rupees 3000 on SBI and for the remaining amount a check of BOB is issued. Goods of 8000 purchased for which check of 3000 on SBI and for the remaining amount a check of BOB is issued. So goods purchased, goods comes in and check issues, so the bank account is credited. Second date by purchase account, by purchase account the check of 3000 issued from SBI, so in SBI column 3000 rupees and the remaining amount, so 8000 minus 3000, so the remaining amount is 5000. The check of 5000 is issued from Bank of Baroda. 4 number, goods of rupees 7000 sold to Jenny. Goods of rupees 7000 sold to Jenny. Jenny issued a check of the necessary amount which is deposited in the Bank of Baroda. So goods of 7000 sold, goods goes out, the check is received for the necessary amount, it means 7000 and is deposited in a Bank of Baroda. So the balance of Bank of Baroda is increased by 7,000. So fourth date, to sales account, Bank of Baroda 4,000. Next, salary of rupees 3,000 paid by check of BOB. Salary paid by check of BOB. So the salary paid from the Bank of Baroda. So the balance of Bank Baroda will be reduced 6th September by salary account. By salary account 3,000 rupees Bank of Baroda. Next, SBI credited rupees 700 for interest and rupees 2,000 for dividend. SBI credited rupees 700 for interest and rupees 2,000 for dividend. So SBI credited, so the bank balance is increases on 8th date. Interest and dividend, so to interest account and to dividend account. $700 for interest in SBI account and 2,000 for dividend. Next, on 10th date, rupees 1,500 withdrawn from SBI. Rupees 1,500 withdrawn from SBI for personal use. तो पर्सनल यूज के लिए विड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. सो जनरल एंट्री कैश अकाउंट, सॉरी ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू SBI. ड्रॉइंग अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू SBI अकाउंट 10th डेट 10th September by drawing account. By drawing account in SBI column 3,000 is withdrawal, sorry 1,500 is withdrawal from SBI, so 1,500 rupees. Next, crossed check of rupees 15,000, crossed check of rupees 15,000 received from Jinal towards her due. Crossed check of rupees 15,000 received from Jinal towards her due, which is deposited in the Bank of Baroda account. So cross check received, deposited in a Bank of Baroda. So the balance of Bank of Baroda is increased, BOB. Now 12th date and 2 received from Jinal's, so Jinal account. Jinal account which is deposited in the Bank of Baroda 15,000. Okay, next on 20th September, check of 2,000 issued from SBI. Check of 2,000 issued from SBI bank account and is deposited in the Bank of Baroda. SBI से इशू किया और बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में डिपॉजिट किया, तो सिंपल है, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू SBI अकाउंट, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू SBI अकाउंट. डेट जनरल एंट्री हो रही है, मीन्स SBI से एक चेक इशू किया और बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में डिपॉजिट किया है. सो बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू SBI अकाउंट, SBI अकाउंट in Bank of Baroda, deposited in Bank of Baroda 2,000 rupees, and on 20th date Bank of Baroda account SBI 2,000 रुपीज, SBI के बैंक अकाउंट में से 2,000 रुपीज रिड्यूस होंगे. नेक्स्ट, गुड्स ऑफ 4,000 सोल्ड एट 10% कैश डिस्काउंट. गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 4,000 सोल्ड एट 10% कैश डिस्काउंट, फॉर विच चेक इज रिसीव्ड विच इज डिपोजिटेड इन द बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. तो बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में डिपॉजिट किया है, तो सिंपल, आफ्टर डिडक्शन ऑफ कैश डिस्काउंट द नेट अमाउंट or the check of received for 3600. See the 4000 minus 400, 4000 minus 400 cash discount, so the net amount is 3600. so goods of rupees 4000 sold at 10% कैश डिस्काउंट, गुड सेल किया है, बैंक बैलेंस इंक्रीज हो रही है, सो 22nd डेट बाय सेल्स अकाउंट बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा 3600, डिस्काउंट अकाउंट भी डेबिट हो रहा है बट यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट का कॉलम नहीं है, सो विल नॉट रिकॉर्डेड, वी डोंट हैव द डिस्काउंट कॉलम, सो द डिस्काउंट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द बैंक बुक and to sales account. Now see the balance. See the balance at Bank of Baroda debit side is more than the credit side, so the debit balance of Bank of Baroda and also the debit balance of SBI is 5 plus 2 7 or 3 4 5 6 6 something, so the debit balance is more than the credit balance, so the debit balance of SBI, debit balance of or the total of debit side of SBI 7700 less 3 4 5 6500, that means 1200 rupees balance, that's called by balance carry forward, by balance carry forward. And the same way Bank of Baroda 15 plus 4 19 20 21 24 24600 24600 minus 5 plus 4 9 10 11 12. See the fourth date, a check of 7000 of Jenny is deposited, not 4 but 7000, sorry, so 15 20 27600 27600 minus 5 plus 4 9 10 11 12 12000, so the difference is 15600 rupees. And next day of month or the next day is the 22nd, to balance brought down 1500 rupees, sorry 1200 rupees and 15600. October 1st we can write down October or 22nd October September date means. So दैट्स अ वेरी सिंपल ट्रांजेक्शन्स थे, कैश बुक मीन्स एक हमने कंप्लीट कर दिया है। अब नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक हम करने वाले हैं वो है पेटी कैश, और पेटी कैश के बाद मीन्स हमारा मैक्सिमम जो पॉइंट्स है वो क्लियर हो रहे हैं, और एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैंकिंग मीन्स जो है नेफ्टी और आरटीजीएस वो सब डिस्कस कर लेंगे, फिर क्लियर हो रहा है चैप्टर्स, ज़्यादा नहीं है, मैक्सिमम 2 और 3 वीडियोस होंगे। सो विल सी इन अ नेक्स्ट पेटी कैश। सो यहीं पे कंप्लीट करते हैं आज वीडियो। थैंक यू वेरी मच।